Smith Jones, Bay City, Michigan. I just received this today on Memorial Day 2019, and it's not very high, and it did not come with tubing, so I had to dig into my old fish aquarium supplies and find some tubing to hook up the pump, and here it is. I have it in a huge bucket right now just to test it out, and I give it about 3 stars because of the inconvenience of not having any tubing to go with it, and tubing size is small. Anyhow, here it is, and enjoy. If you want one, buy one. If not, you want one to spray higher up, then find something else to buy. You can find me at Legacy's Little Luxuries YouTube. See you then. Bye.